Astrology is the study of planetary positions to determine further things in life as well as events and details related to past lives or actions. The earliest records of astrology or signs date back to the 3rd millennium BCE. Astrology has influenced culture, early astronomy, and other disciplines over time. Astrology uses two methods to predict the future, one is astrological transit and the other is astrological progression. It is important to understand how both play a role in how horoscopes are read and predicted. Astrological transits look at the movements of planets and space and the effects of such movements on an individual horoscopes. Astrological progression uses a set of methods to determine how a horoscope has progressed through time. Nowadays, astrologers no longer predict actual events. What they do instead is extrapolate various common astrological events for better results and give importance to arbitrary and unrelated events. There are three main astrological traditions. These are Vedic astrology, Western astrology, and Chinese astrology. Vedic and Western astrology uses an astrological chart or horoscope and predicts them using the positions of the sun, moon, and planets. However, the point of difference between Vedic and Western astrology is the association of the zodiac signs with their main constellations, which is not present in Western astrology but is considered to be of utmost importance in Vedic astrology. The main feature of Vedic astrology is the use of nakshatras or periods of planets known as lunar planets and dashas in predicting the future. Chinese astrology uses an approach that is very different from Vedic and Western astrology. Instead of dividing the zodiac signs according to the sky, they are divided according to the celestial equator. Here each zodiac sign stands for a year and the sign is combined with a system that uses the 5 elements of Chinese cosmology to give a 12/5 year cycle. Chinese astrology is a system that is not only used in China, it is used in many Asian countries. Now the question is, what kind of predictions can astrology make? Yes, to some extent. Astrology, though considered a type of superstition by many scientific thinkers, is actually a science as there is substantial research behind each prediction. Reliable astrologers are able to deduce future effects for accuracy, but accuracy also depends on providing correct information and calculating wisely. Among the various methods of astrology available, Nadisocium is considered to be the most accurate as it is based on past life readings taken from the holidays available at the Bhaidiswaran temple in Tamil Nadu, India.